Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a Honda Accord dome light. First, gather your tools, a small flathead screwdriver and the correct replacement bulb. Make sure your car's interior lights are off to avoid any electrical issues. It's also a good idea to place a soft cloth nearby to protect your car's interior trim from scratches during the process. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement. Now let's access the bulb. Look for a small notch or opening on the edge of the dome light cover. Insert your small flathead screwdriver into this spot. Gently pry the cover downwards, working your way around the edges until it loosens. Once the cover is free, carefully set it aside where it won't get damaged. This step reveals the old bulb. With the cover off, you'll see the old bulb. Gently pull it straight out of its socket. Be careful, as it might be warm if the lights were recently on. When handling the new bulb, try to avoid touching the glass with your bare fingers, as oils can reduce its lifespan. Firmly insert the new bulb into the socket, ensuring it's seated correctly. Give it a gentle wiggle to confirm it's secure. Before putting everything back, turn on your interior lights to test the new bulb. It should illuminate brightly. If it doesn't, double-check that it's seated properly and that the contacts are clean. Once confirmed, carefully align the dome light cover and snap it back into place, applying gentle pressure until it's secure. For more great deals and to check out the new Kindle Paperwhite, be sure to look for the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.